Hey guys, good morning. So in today's vlog, we are going to set up the items that we bought. So unfortunately, my husband is not available. He got these items in here and he went to work. So I will be setting up the ones that I can set up myself. Then the remaining one, when he's available, we'll come back here together and set up the rest. So before I go into it, I'm very hungry, like I'm starving. I ordered food already, my food is on the way. So once my food comes in and I eat something, then I will get straight into work. But for now, I am waiting for the delivery man to bring my food. I'm starving. Guys, OMG, I'm so disappointed. So this frame that I put up there. When I ordered that frame, I thought the frame is 3-in-1 because the art picture that I bought was 3 pieces. So when I wanted to buy picture frame, I saw this one, I liked it, so I paid for it, and I thought it was 3-in-1. I didn't know it comes as one piece. So when I unboxed it and I saw that it was one, I was very disappointed. And now it had cut my work halfway. So I've been thinking what to do. I don't know what to do, but I want to pop into a home decor store to see if I will see a picture frame in this size. Yes, that's what I will do, because I mean, I've already had it in my mind that I'm gonna put up these frames today, but then this happened, and I'm really disappointed.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm back home, so I couldn't find the actual size of the frame that I am looking for. So what I'm gonna do is this: I'm gonna order it again online. So this time around I'll order 2. Then when it comes in, I'll finish up setting up the picture frames. Meanwhile, I got a canvas that I really love, so I was thinking to put the canvas on the hallway. Yeah, so I'm gonna hang it. This is beautiful. I'm happy I bought this. this side like this. Like this.
And this one, what number is?
I think it's still two.
Is the yeah. Then here.